study parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland, it is one of the important endocrine gland. Now let us study where exactly this gland is situated. This gland, it consists of 4 lobes and it is located on thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, it is one of the important endocrine gland which is situated in the neck region. Parathyroid gland, it is situated or it is present on thyroid gland. This is green color thyroid gland, and these two means total 4 lobes of parathyroid gland, they are present on this thyroid gland. Upper 2 lobes are called as superior parathyroid gland and lower 2 lobes are called as inferior parathyroid gland. So total 4 lobes of parathyroid gland present on thyroid gland. This parathyroid gland, it secretes one hormone, and this hormone is called as parathormone. In short, it is called as PTH, or it is also called as Colles hormone. It is a name of the scientist. What is the function of PTH, that is parathormone? It increases calcium level in the blood. We have studied, or we know that one important hormone, calcitonin, secreted by thyroid gland, okay, secreted particularly by C cells, which reduces the calcium level in the blood, and this hormone increases the calcium level in the blood. It means these 2 hormones, calcitonin and parathormone, these 2 hormones, they maintain calcium level in the human body. So they are antagonistic to each other. Now why this calcium? It is very much required for the body. This calcium, it is important for muscle contraction. This is also required for the transmission of nerve impulse. But by 3 ways, this hormone, it increases the calcium level in the blood. Let us study. The first way, it directly absorbs the calcium from the intestine and increases the level in the blood. Second way, it removes the calcium from the bone itself and add in the blood. And the third way, it also reduces the calcium loss through the urine. It means by these 3 ways, this parathormone increases the calcium level in the blood. We will study now hyposecretion and hypersecretion of parathormone. Parathormone, in short, it is called as PTH. Now, this hormone is secreted by parathyroid gland. We have studied already. So, let us study hyposecretion. Hypo means less, secretion of parathormone. It results in low calcium level in the blood. As we know that PTH, that is parathormone, it increases the calcium level in the blood. But if this hormone is secreted in very less quantity, naturally the calcium level in the blood, it reduces. We know that calcium is very much required, or it is one of the important mineral for this muscle contraction, as well as for the transmission of the nerve impulse, as well as it is one of the important factor in the what you can say blood clotting factor. It is one of the important blood clotting factor. But if the level of calcium in the blood, it is very low, it results in parathyroid tetany. It is also called as hypocalcemic tetany. Hypo means less, calcemic means calcium, low calcium tetany. Now this hypocalcemic tetany, it results in muscle twitching and painful spasm, and it also results in the spasm, it occurs in the face as well as the muscles of hand and the muscles of leg. Okay, so this is all about hyposecretion of PTH. Now, if this hormone, PTH hormone, if it is secreted in excess quantity, more than the normal limit. High calcium level will be there in the blood. Now whenever there is very much high level in the blood, from where this calcium is coming? This calcium, it is coming from the bones. Means this PTH, excess of PTH, it removes the calcium from the bone. Naturally, it results in a condition called as osteoporosis. Means the pores are formed in the bone. It results in the softening of the bone. The bones become very soft. They become brittle. They can easily bend and sometimes they get fractured also very easily. So this is all about hyposecretion and hypersecretion of PTH, that is parathormone secreted by parathyroid gland. We will study thymus gland. Thymus gland, it is one of the important endocrine gland. Where exactly this gland is situated? Dorsal side of the heart. The location is on dorsal side of the human heart. This gland is situated. This gland, it is a little bit soft, pink in color, bilobed structure, and it is made up of lymphoid tissue. What is the function of this gland? The function of this gland is it produces one of the important hormone called as thymosin. The interesting fact about this gland is this gland, it is very much prominent at the time of birth. But as the age increases, the size of this gland, it reduces or shrinkage of this gland takes place. The condition is called as atrophy. That's why this gland is also called as a temporary gland. Okay. What is the function of this thymosin hormone? Development of immune system. This gland, it is directly related with the immune system. It increases our immunity by maturation of T lymphocyte. And second, it also promotes the production of antibodies by providing humoral immunity.